Hello, hello. If you are looking to this video, so it means you are looking for a job. So let's say I am living in Berlin and I want to work as a UX UI designer. So what do I do? So first of all, I would go to linkedin.com and I would create an awesome profile and I will update my profile picture and the cover letter. It's the cover photo is fine. You can just ignore it, but you have to choose a professional photo or a good photo. Mine is not so professional, but it's fine enough. So, and you need to write a catchy title. I'm not a UI UX designer, I'm a marketer and content creator, obviously. But if you are a UI designer, so you would write here relative titles that you are working on. If you are a junior, so you will write a junior UX UI designer, and then you write all the relative experiences that you had, your education, the licenses and the certificates, if any, and the skills, everything. For the recommendations part, I always recommend to reach out to your friends and colleagues and from before, and ask them to give you a positive review in your LinkedIn account. So this is the first thing. After you've done that, the second thing is to go to jobs in the top and then type here in the box. You will type the city, which is Berlin. And if you want to set an alert so you can get an email and a notification for all the jobs that comes up in Berlin, you can set that, or you can just ignore it and choose to set an alert for more accurate one, which is UX junior, let's say junior UX designer. If you are a student, then you can type working student UX designer. But I'm assuming you are looking for a full-time job and you are typing UX, junior UX designer. So this thing is called the keyword. The keyword that you are looking for, like the keyword you are using to look for a job. So the HR personnel might write junior UI designer, or might write UX UI designer, or might write front end, junior front end designer, and then in the description it might be you. So good researcher has to try so many different keywords in order to find the good opportunity and the good job that he's looking for. So I will try. My first keyword is junior UX designer, and I will just hit search. Here I will find the total number of results that included in Junior UX Designer, which is 386. And then I will go through them one by one because like I'm a full-time job hunting because I'm not working. So I'm full-time. So I will go one by one. I will click on this one, first one, and then come to the right part and then read all the descriptions and find if it's related to me or not. If it's related, I will hit apply, and then I will go usually to another. That's really, really bad because it's 404. This is one of the bad things, like it's really a rookie mistake. Anyway, well, that's a good example for bad marketing or bad technology. I don't know. So let's find the next one. Someone should tell them that anyway. So let's find the next one, and then UX designer and remote in Germany. Wow. So that's a good opportunity. I will read everything. It's in English. So, but be careful because sometimes it's the description in English, but you will find inside that you need German. That's for my marketing jobs, unfortunately. But for the IT jobs and you guys, for the designers and developers, you don't need German. So I will just read and then hit apply. Hopefully this one will work. Okay, it's working. So I will click apply and I will fill all the information. After hitting apply, I will fill all the information needed from me, and if I can apply using LinkedIn directly, like I will click this button and I will see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Okay, obviously. Okay, they uploaded my resume successfully, so that's good. I think that's a problem with. So I could just upload my resume here, and that's it. Get it over with manually. Sometimes it's easier to do it this way. So going back to LinkedIn, that's one job. Okay. Sometimes I do this. So I click on my control or like, and then right the left button in the mouse, and then I will open all these in another it opens in another tab. Okay, and then I will read them all, or if I'm like having fun and having my time, I will just go through them one by one, read it from here. Sometimes I do something else. Sometimes, for example, this person is posting the job, so I would click on her name and then connect to her and then send her an invitation, because I'm interested in all the jobs that are related to UX UI. So if she's a person who recruits people every once in a while, so I would like to be seen by her or others. So whenever I find like the profile is seen, because sometimes it's invisible or it's anonymous, because they are using the upgraded plans of LinkedIn, and they are like protecting their privacy, so that's fine. But if it's a small or medium, usually corporates and bigger companies, they do that. It will be anonymous. But usually smaller companies, smaller to medium businesses, you will find like the recruiter profile, and you can reach it. So it's easier to connect with them. Like this one, for example, uh, you can connect with them as well. Okay. Um, so that's it. uh, once you've done this for the first keyword, which is junior UX designer, let's try something else. For example, I will try junior UX UI. I will write it like this: UI designer. Let's see if the results are the same. Search. No, it's actually more, 407 and 37, which is actually more than 100 difference, which means some people are writing this keyword and not writing the other one. So this keyword is more popular than the other one. So that's a good thing. Okay, so I will check everything. I will like repeat the same process. If you are speaking German, then you should know what this means and apply. And if you don't, and if you are an English speaker only, so you can just skip it and see fluent English. Knowledge of German is a plus. Of course, it's a plus since you are in Germany. So you can do that. So if you have any questions how to job hunt in LinkedIn, just let me know. If you want to look in Germany or worldwide, you can just skip Berlin, and then you can hit remote here. So, but note that not all people, or not all recruiters write remote in their title. They might do it here, like when you see it hybrid or remote. So be patient, do your best, and I'm sure you will get that first call and that first yes. And all you need is just one yes. Remember that you only need one yes to get started. See you in the next video. Bye.